tribute to the martyrdom spirit of the Mobile Mother, a figure of strength, resilience, and love. Magpiyang nga abo kung ikaw nga tanan. Today, we present to you a cultural dance that reflects the vibrant traditions and deeply rooted customs of the Mobile people, an indigenous group inhabiting the land of Balabac, Palawan. In the Mobile community, the agricultural calendar is marked by the sacred rituals that honor the cycles of nature. Before the bountiful harvest, the Mobile engage in a ritual steeped in tradition. The sacred ceremony is a heartfelt expression of gratitude to the spirit of their abundant blessings, seeking protection and guidance for a prosperous harvest. The Mobile people derive their sustenance from the land and sea. Through intricate movements and symbolic gestures, the dance portrays the essence of Mobile livelihood. Fishery, coconut farming, and pagkakain or Sweden agriculture. As the Mobile celebrate the successful harvest, another ritual ensues. The ceremony is a joyous expression of gratitude and communal unity as the community comes together to honor the spirits, fostering a sense of shared prosperity and abundance. Deeply connected to the spiritual fabric of Mobile life is a ritual for healing. This dance embodies the community's belief in the power of spiritual forces to bring about physical and emotional well-being. Central to Mobile spirituality is the concept of Pinandok, a sacred practice that serves as a conduit between the physical and spiritual realms. The Mobile culture is known for its traditional barter system, an economic exchange rooted in mutual respect and cooperation. The dance incorporates movements that symbolize the exchange of goods, emphasizing the importance of community ties and interdependence. The influence of Muslim culture is reflected in the captivating Pamatay dance, symbolizing the rich diversity that characterizes the Mobile way of life. As the rhythmic beats and graceful movements unfold before you, we invite you to immerse yourselves in the beauty and depth of Mobile culture, a testament to the enduring spirit of a people deeply connected to their land, traditions, and each other. Ladies and gentlemen, Tribo Mano!